Is the UV grip from SUPCASE going to be worth it for the new Z Fold 8 Ultra? Let's find out. Starting off on the back, you have a very nice hard back material, so going to be perfect for shock absorption. Just like on the other UV grip cases, you do have the lens protector piece, so that just hangs over right over those lenses. You got the metal flip out kickstand giving you that vertical viewing, and then you can also unfold your phone and get that nice horizontal viewing as well. MagSafe compatible and has a great MagSafe hold to it. Now flipping it over to the screen side, you have a full tempered glass screen protector. Now the one I have on is the privacy one, but if you just want a regular tempered glass screen protector, it comes with two of them. So you have a choice to put on either the privacy or just the regular one. I think that's an awesome feature when it comes to this case. And what's great about these SUPCASE screen protectors is that not only do you have the full tempered glass screen protection, but all the perimeters always have that kind of bezeling, so it's popping out just a little bit more as well. So more protection for your screen overall. You're also going to get a full hinge protector piece, goes right down the middle, which does fold in and out nicely with the Z Fold 8 Ultra. No issues there. And you have a nice textured grip on it as well. So if you're going to be holding your phone, taking phone calls, you have a lot more grip when you're holding the phone. And each corner of the case does have these reinforced bumpers, which is always nice to have in case you drop your phone right on the sides, the top, the bottom, or even when your phone is folded in as well. Definitely a recommendation of mine. It's a great case overall.